What's up, everyone? T Smola here. So I just got done reporting on a golf tournament, and I figured as long as I'm in the area and I still have some hours of daylight left, I might as well go and find a few caches. So come along with me and let's see what we can find. Sometime in February, whenever I did that video with the 100 caches in it, and hardly anybody watched. Still chipping away at it. Still probably over 100 in this series to do. These are I think there was 10 I wanted to do this afternoon. We'll see how many we actually do. So this one I could see before I even get out of the vehicle. Can you see it? Jeez. How about now? This is one of the benefits of stamps. Wet log. No problem. So that last road was really muddy. So that's going to do it for today. Just 10 quick caches, nothing really special there. You know, that's part of the Power Trail series that I've been working on for a little while now. But, you know, I got to grab numbers where I can if I want to hit my milestone of 17,000 by this August. So, you know, every little bit helps. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.